Hello friend, welcome to Entry. My name is Sakash Shukla, your quant educator at Entry app. So guys, September 5, 2021 is the examination date for IDBI Executive 2021. And in this video, we'll try to analyze what can be the expected cutoff for your exam in 2021. Basically, it is not possible to predict the exact cutoff. But guys, what we can do as of now, we can analyze what can be the safer attempt in this time, so that we can prepare our mindset before the exam for that particular number of attempts. So guys, and how we'll be trying to do the expected cutoff analysis based on the previous year cutoff and the number of vacancies as well. Although after the exam, what we'll be doing, we'll be releasing another video based on the level of the difficulty of the exam as well. So as of now, we'll try to finalize the expected cutoff based on the previous year cutoff and number of vacancies. So guys, let's start the video and let's see first of all, let's see what will be your examination pattern. So guys, as far as your examination pattern is concerned, so there will be 3 sections: test of reasoning, test of working English language, and test of quantitative aptitude. From each of these sections, you will have 50 questions of 50 marks. So in this way, you will have total of 150 questions of 150 marks and 90 minutes composing timing you will be given with. And yes, 1/4 negative marking will be there. And guys, talking about the sectional cutoff first. So many students were asking me, sir, is there any sectional cutoff in IDBI Executive? So yes guys, sectional cutoff will be there because last year we saw the sectional cutoff in this exam. So talking about the sectional cutoff, so last year or previous year in reasoning guys, it was 18 out of 50, whereas in English language it was 15.5 out of 50, and in quantitative aptitude or quant test of quantitative aptitude it was 18 out of 50. So these were the sectional cutoff guys. And if we talk about the overall cutoff, if we talk about the last year guys or previous year, so for the general category or the unreserved category, that cutoff was guys 103.75. Yes, 103.75. Whereas for the before that ये cutoff थी 96.5. और बात करें ओबीसी कैटेगरी की, सो गाइस 97.25 was the previous year cutoff, whereas before that this cutoff was 92.00. प्लीज लिसन मी केयरफुली, बहुत ध्यान से सुनिएगा. और बात करें ईडब्ल्यूएस कैटेगरी की, सो लास्ट ईयर और प्रीवियस ईयर इट वाज 99.25, whereas before that this category was not there. और बात करें एससी कैटेगरी की, सो गाइस प्रीवियस ईयर दिस कट ऑफ वाज 89.5, whereas before that this cutoff was 85.75. For ST category this cutoff was 77.50, and before that this cutoff was 76.75. So guys, we have analyzed last 2 years cutoff, and based on that we can say that cutoff is gradually being increased with a low pace, not a very rapid pace. बहुत आराम से cutoff बढ़ रहा है. So for the general category, if I'll talk about, if the previous year 103.75 was the cutoff guys, then this time you can easily expect the cutoff in between your 107 to 115. 107 से लेकर 115 तक आपका कट ऑफ लाई कर सकता है अगर हम लास्ट 2 ईयर का कट ऑफ देखें जिस हिसाब से वो बढ़ रहा है. सो व्हाट मस्ट बी योर सेफर अटेम्प्ट दिस टाइम? So guys, I will say कि out of 150 you must attempt 120 to 125 questions with very good accuracy, so that after the negative marks you can have your 115 or 117 marks, and you will be very near to the expected cutoff that I have already told you कि your expected cutoff will be there in between 107 to 115. तो गाइस 107 से लेकर 115 तक आप अपना कट ऑफ मानकर चल सकते हैं. बेसिकली मैं अब भी एग्री करता हूं कि इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल टू प्रेडिक्ट द एग्जैक्ट कट ऑफ, बट व्हाट इज द ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ दिस वीडियो? जस्ट टू प्रिपेयर आवर माइंडसेट फॉर दैट पर्टिकुलर नंबर ऑफ अटेम्प्ट्स विद अ गुड लेवल ऑफ एक्यूरेसी. सो फॉर दैट पर्पस आई केम विद दिस वीडियो गाइस फॉर यू. So what must be your attempt this time? Your attempt must be 120 plus or 125 with very good level of accuracy. सो गाइस ध्यान रखिएगा, ये आपका अटेम्प्ट रहना चाहिए, ठीक है। और भी कुछ क्वेरी है, इन केस एनी क्वेरी यू हैव रिगार्डिंग आईडीबीआई एग्जीक्यूटिव or IDBI assistant manager, then please let me know in the comment section below. I will definitely coming with the separate video on that. So this is Akash Shukla signing off, and good luck for the exam guys. Please like the video, share the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.